Welcome to the Zmanda Pro tutorial series. In this video, we'll show you how to backup and restore data on a Linux device using Zmanda Pro. All right, let's get started. On the Zmanda Pro Management Console, navigate to the Users tab and select the appropriate user. Then, open the Protected Items tab, click Add Protected Item, and choose the device from the list. Once selected, the Protected Item configuration window will open, where you can rename the protected item to something relevant. Next, open the Items tab. To add files or folders, click the folder icon. From the Select Items to Protect window, browse and select the files and folders you want to back up. Once you've made your selection, click Save. You'll now see the selected path listed under the Items tab. Click Next to proceed. Next, open the Schedule tab. To add a schedule, click the plus icon. Select the storage vault where your backup will be stored. Next, under Schedule tab, click the plus icon to add a new schedule. Configure the schedule as required and click Save. Once the schedule is added, click Next to continue. Next, open the Retention tab. Here you can configure how long backups are retained based on your requirements. Once everything is configured, click Save to create the protected item. Your protected item is now created. Backups will run automatically on your configured schedule. If you'd like to trigger a backup on a need basis, click Run Backup. The Run Backup window will appear. You can review the selected protected item and storage vault. For this example, we'll proceed with the default settings. Click Backup to start the backup job. That completes the backup process. Now, let's look at how to restore data. To restore data, navigate to the Devices tab, locate the required device, and click Actions. In the Connected Device Actions window, click Restore. In the Restore window, select the required storage vault to restore from. Then click Next to continue. You'll see a list of available backups. Select the required snapshot you want to restore from, and click Next to continue. Then choose how you want to restore the data. You can choose to restore all items or select specific files and folders. Next, select the Restore destination. You can either restore to the original path or choose a different location and click Restore to start the process. You'll be taken back to the dashboard, where a confirmation message appears, indicating that the restore request has been successfully dispatched. To check the status of a backup or restore job, you can view it in the Job Logs tab at any point of time. That completes the process of backing up and restoring data on a Linux device using Zmanda Pro. You can now ensure your data is both protected and easily recoverable.